DropTask is a wonderful tool for you to use to help you organize your life. And task management has always been a bummer for me. I'm not a real big fan of task management because it takes so long to do. But this, if you find it and integrate it into your life and the life of your family and your friends and your work environment, I think you will find that your life is a lot easier as a result of it. This task group that we're seeing here are my family tasks, and I share this with members of my family, my wife and my children. They all have tasks. Now, if you're saying to yourself, task management, that's a difficult thing. Look, my 9-year-old does task management and puts his tasks. Of course, this is Jackson's box, and as you can see, he's not really working on anything right now, but he does do tasks. And if you look at my older son here, here's a 17-year-old, and he's setting up tasks of things that he needs to do. So task management is very simple when you use DropTask. And to have multiple, so this is family tasks that we're talking about here, but here now, extend this out to anything. If you're working on projects with different people, you can certainly have those. If you have your work, maybe you're isolating all of your tasks just for your job inside of one folder. And so here we have all of those. And so you can go through and look at any of these tasks and create multiple projects for different types of people that you may be sharing. So for example, I may be building something with my brother. And so I'm going to name this as sample. So here's sample. So I could say here I want to, I don't know, build go-kart, let's just say. And then I could have another group here called just tasks in general. And then I can just go ahead and drag in what we're going to do to build that. We need to get funding, for example. And to build the go-kart, maybe we need to purchase metal or whatever it is. We can have multiple tasks and multiple projects within our DropTask environment. Now, one thing just to note about DropTask and related to projects, one gotcha. In DropTask, you have the ability to synchronize your tasks with Google Tasks. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. But you can only do it of your projects. You can synchronize tasks. So when I click on here, notice here it allows me to synchronize to a calendar, but it does not allow me to synchronize with Google Tasks. So just something to remember. If you're sharing tasks with somebody that can only use a Google Task application, for example, maybe they're not running DropTask, you can of course have that one task, that one project, group of tasks, share it with Google Tasks, and then they'll be able to see that as well.